Is it truly possible to build a new construction home in Johnson County, Kansas for under $400,000? Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and yes, it certainly is. Now, you may be surprised to know that as of July 15th, 2024, there are 45 choices available to buyers looking to build new construction in Johnson County. Now, some of those are going to be in Gardner, Spring Hill, Shawnee Mission, potential ones coming up in DeSoto, and a couple townhome options in Overland Park. If by chance you're looking for a ranch home with a basement and 3 bedrooms, Summit Homes has Foxwood Ranch in Spring Hill, still with lots that they are selling right around $400,000. Now, of course, the updates that you want to add as far as upgrades not included in the home are going to definitely impact the price. Or if you want a different lot that is more expensive, that will also impact the price. But currently these homes are available, and we would be more than happy to let you know all the options that you currently have. If you're looking for more square footage, another location, more home amenities, then we can certainly show you those neighborhoods as well, as there's so much new construction currently available. So if you want to know the neighborhoods for under $400,000, let's take a look. In Overland Park, we have Merritt Homes with 3-bedroom, 2-story townhouses on a slab. We also have in Boulder Springs, Spring Hill, patio villas, 3-bedroom ranches on a slab. Reflection Ridge in Shawnee has townhomes, 4 bedrooms with a basement. Persimmon Court has 2 stories, townhomes with 3 bedrooms and a basement. These are all under $400,000. And Cypress Creek, 3-bedroom ranches on a slab, as well as Dayton Creek ranches, 3 bedrooms on a slab. Now, a slab means there's no basement, and so you just have literally a concrete slab. So your furnace and air conditioner are either in the attic or on the main level of the home. The basement will typically be unfinished in all of these homes, which you could finish as an add-on cost. If you have any questions on these neighborhoods or other neighborhoods in Johnson County, it will be an absolute pleasure to explain to you the new construction process. 913-449-1950. Have a great day, and we look forward to assisting you, your friends, and family in all your real estate goals.